In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Airtable for project management tool. So you can see in one of our recent videos, I created this inventory management system, and you can see how nice this looks. We have everything: product list, update levels, and we can literally customize the quantity left and what we have. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a project management tool. So let's just say create a project management tool, let's just say for an education system. Just like that, I'm going to be, if you want to select some tags from top, if you want to select your idea, you can do that. And below you can see we can also upload your data to add into the tool. Simply click onto this next, and it is going to be taking a couple of seconds. And once it does, it is gonna be showing you pretty much the tool, how it looks. So let me just show you. So you can see here it came up with this amazing project management tool. We got our subjects here, we got project titles, and we got project description. We can customize this, by the way, according to our need as well. And you can see we have our project timeline, how nice timeline this looks. And yeah, so that's how you can create it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.